ExitSign250 here, and welcome to the 2018 New Year's fire alarm sounding. So it is again the end of yet another year, and that means I get to set off all my fire alarms. And I have just about every single fire alarm notification appliance in my collection. I'm not using a few because they're either broken or I can't use them, but it's still going to be very exciting. For the pull station, I have my Simplex 2099-9795, and when I pull that, it will activate this setup. For the control panel end, I have my Firelight MS2, which will be acting as one of the power supplies, and my Firelight MS5UD. When I pull the T-bar, the 5UD will activate and then it will trip the MS2. There will be a slight delay for all the fire alarms to go off, but it's not major. For the exit signs, I have my Lithonia QM incandescent exit sign, and once the T-bar is pulled, this sign will turn on. I also have my dual light EVC exit sign combo in green, and it looks great. And I have my dual light EV emergency light. Like I said, I do have a wide variety of fire alarm notification appliances, including horn strobes, strobes, chime strobes, horns, you name it. So it's going to be very loud and very bright. I also want to make a quick disclaimer. If you have epilepsy or any form of vision issues, click off this video immediately. Once this setup activates, there's going to be a lot of unsynced strobes that will be flashing at high rates, and that really wouldn't be good for you. I also have a few camera angles set up. The first one is what you're seeing now, which is a general overview of everything. I also have another camera view that's kind of closer to the ground, but it does still look neat. And I have another view from the side of everything. So when it gets closer to 12, we will continue with the New Year's sounding. Alright everyone, we have about 5 minutes until midnight. And once it hits midnight, we'll pull the T-bar and everything will go off. Here in a minute, I will plug in both the panels so we are ready. I am going to open the garage closer to 12 a.m. so that will, well, all my neighbors can hear the joyous sounds of about, 48 devices going off or so. Maybe not that much. So we are at 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So any minute now, the fun is going to begin. Alright everyone, we have 2 minutes and 35 seconds left until the sounding. My heart is pounding, I'm so excited, and I can't wait for 2018 and everything to go off. It's going to be great. But 2018, I will say it's going to be really cool. My channel is going to go under some changes, but we'll just have to wait and see how all that plays out. We are getting down to 1 minute and 58 seconds, so the hype is starting to get real. There everything is. Coding, if you were asking, a few things are on continuous, a few things are on code 3, a few things march time, whoop, high-low, bell tone, smoke alarm tone, etc. Yeah. So it's starting to get really exciting and really tense, but anyhow. 1 minute 30 seconds. Ooh boy. I wonder how my neighbors will process all this, hearing a bunch of noises and such. But just have to see if I get any complaints, but I doubt that. Anyhow, minute 9 seconds. Ooh boy. Alrighty. This is it, you know, final moments of 2017. Alright, 58 seconds. Ooh boy. Here we go. Yeah. Well, I guess relatively it's been a good year. I've learned some new things and tricks and such, and it's been fun, I guess. But anyhow, yeah, this is going to be really loud. So, whew. Alrighty. So, 30 seconds, 32, 31, 30. Oh boy. Okay, and just an FYI, I do not have any batteries in this panel, in these panels. Don't really know why it would matter, but anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this T-bar because I want to make sure I can pull this as close as I can to experience the best. So here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2018! Well, there you have it, everyone. It is now 2018, so we are in the new year, and I hope to bring more videos and such. There you go. All right, everyone. Let me know what you think. Was this a better sound off compared to the other years previous? What do you think? Well, that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask or post. And I guess I will see you guys in another video. Bye!